Guys, what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how you replace the rear wiper blade on a RAV4. This is my wife's RAV4 here. When I try to pull it up, I don't get a room to swing this properly. And so what you need to do, first of all, is you just need to spread this little clip, this little cover right here. Just spread that open a little bit and it pops out just like that. And then the wiper blade, you can pull that up and have a little bit more clearance. And what you'll do is you'll have to rotate it to where it basically is at a straight angle. It does take just a little bit of force, not a lot, don't break nothing, but you'll rotate it and then you can pull it off of the arm. And of course, me trying to do it by hand, you can see it there, with just single-handed, it comes right off. And there are a few different brands out there, a few different makes and things like that for these. And I will put some links down in the description of this video to where you guys can go down there and pick you one up. This is the one that I picked up. It's off of Amazon. And what you got to pay attention to is the way that this is made as far as how it attaches in there. Some of them out there will have a similar part number and be a similar length, but they will not go on there because of the size of that little strut, that little crossbar that's in there. So make sure you get the right one. And to put this on, it's just a reverse operation. You put that arm up into there just like that, and then you got to rotate it down, kind of snap it into place. And this has a little bit of a shield on that blade. You can kind of see it there, that shield. And once you get it snapped in, you get all that in place, and just to show you again, guys, it just snaps right in. You can remove that blade shield just like this, and you're good to go. Snap it down, and then just close this off, and you are back in business. Anyways, guys, if you like the video, please like and share it. Also, guys, check the links down in the description of this video. I'll have a link to where you can pick you one of these up from Amazon. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on my channel, and we'll see you next time. Also, guys, check the links down in the description of this video. I'll have a link to where you can pick you one of these up from Amazon. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on my channel, and we'll see you next time.